Find dy by dx if x equal to sin cube t root cos 2t, y equal to cos cube t root cos 2t. So common parameter is t. So therefore first we have to differentiate x and y with respect to t and then substitute these values in dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So therefore first we have to consider x equal to, so this one, x equal to sin cube t divided by root cos 2t. Differentiate with respect to t. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx upon dt. Apply cosine rule here. So therefore this equal to root cos 2t d by dt of sin cube t minus sin cube t d by dt of root cos 2t. This divided by root cos 2t bracket square. So cosine rule, denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator bracket square equal to, this equal to root cos 2t derivative. This one is a composite function. So already this problem we have solved in the composite functions. Sin cube t 3 sin square t, derivative of sin is cos t. Similarly minus sin cube t, again it is a composite function. Derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. This into derivative of cos is minus sin 2t. Again derivative of 2t is 2. This whole divided by. So this root get cancels. Cos square 2t. Cos square 2t. So here, so 2 get cancels. And so take this LCM here. Root cos 2t is the LCM. So therefore this equal to, so this root cos 2t, this root cos 2t. So root get cancels. Cos 2t 3 sin square t into cos t minus sin cube t, and this minus becomes plus into sin 2t. This divided by this LCM, so this denominator, so that becomes root cos 2t, this into cos square 2t. So here it is cos 2t. So here it is sin, here it is sin. Therefore convert this cos 2t in terms of sin. So this becomes 1 minus 2 sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t. 3 sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t into cos t. This divided by root cos 2t into cos square 2t. Now consider this equal to 3 sin square t cos t minus 6 sin fourth t into cos t. Multiply 3 sin square t cos t, 3 into 6 sin fourth t cos t plus 2 sin fourth, sin and sin cube, sin fourth t cos t. This divided by root of cos 2t minus into cos square 2t. This equal to, observe here, 6 sin 4 t cos t, 2 sin 4 t cos t, like terms, that is minus 6ab plus 2ab. This equal to minus 4ab. So therefore 3 sin square t cos t minus 4 sin 4th t cos t, this divided by root cos 2t into cos square 2t. This equal to, so take common here, sin square cos t is common, sin square t cos t, this into bracket. So here 3 minus 4 sin square t, this divided by root cos 2t into cos square 2t. So here 3 sin square cos t, so sin square cos t is common, so remaining is 3 sin square after taking sin square cos t, so 4 sin square will remains here. So therefore call this is equation 1. Now y equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. So y is cos cube t divided by root cos 2t. Again apply quotient rule and differentiate with respect to t here. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dy by dt equal to root cos 2t d by dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t d by dt of root cos 2t, this divided by root cos 2t bracket square. So numerator derivative of, sorry, denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator bracket square. This equal to root cos 2t, this into derivative of cos cube, again it is a composite function, 3 cos square t, derivative of cos is minus sin t, 3 cos square t, derivative of cos is minus sin t, here minus cos cube t, 1 upon 2 root cos 2t, derivative of cos is minus sin 2t, derivative of 2t is 2, this whole divided by root cos 2t bracket square is equal to cos square 2t. Yes, root cos 2t, derivative of cos 2 is 3 cos square t, again derivative of cos is minus sin, here cos 2 as it is, so again it is a composite function, 1 by 2 root cos 2t, derivative of cos is minus sin 2t, derivative of 2t is 2, and this denominator, this equal to, so 2 get cancels here, take LCM here, root cos 2t becomes cos 2t, and this minus sin 3 cos square t sin t minus of minus plus here sin 2t cos cube t, this divided by root cos 2t into cos cube 2t. And here cos 2t, the entire things are in terms of cos, therefore convert this cos in terms of cos, therefore this equal to cos 2t, 2 cos square t minus 1, this is minus sign, 3 cos square t sin t. Again here sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t into cos cube t is whole divided by root cos 2t this into cos cube 2t. So cos 2t, so we have to convert, in this case we have to convert in terms of cos 2t in terms of cos. So therefore cos 2t formula is 2 cos square t minus 1 sin 2t is 2 sin t cos 2t. So therefore, so this becomes minus 6 cos 4th t plus 3 cos square t, 1 second here, 3 cos 4t, 3 into 2 6 cos 4th t sin t minus of minus plus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 cos 4th t sin t. 2 cos cube into cos 2 cos 4th t sin t. This divided by root of cos 2t into cos cube 2t, this equal to. So again these two are like terms. So as in the previous case, minus 6ab plus 2ab, this equal to minus 4ab. So therefore, so this entire thing becomes 4ab, that is minus 4 cos 4th t sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t, this divided by root of cos 2t into cos cube 2t, root of cos 2t into cos cube 2t. So again here 3 cos square sin t is cos square t sin t is common, cos square t sin t, this into bracket. So I will write this term here. So this becomes 3 minus 4 cos square t, this divided by root cos 2t into cos cube 2t. So call this is equation 2. 2 cos 4th t sin t. So this becomes 4 here. So therefore 2 3 cos 4th. So 3. So here cos 4th is common. So therefore cos 4th take common. Put 1 and 2 in dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. Therefore dy upon dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. This equation becomes, so substitute 1 and 2 in this equation. So therefore this equal to, so from 1 and 2 substitute in this equation. So therefore these two get cancels, and here one sin and one cos get cancels here. Therefore cos t divided by sin t, this into bracket 3 minus 4 cos square t. So this into 3 minus 4 sin square t. So take this inside, 3 cos t minus 4 minus cos t, 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t. Similarly here 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Observe here, this is, so these numerator and denominator are the formula for sin 3x and cos 3x. Just I will write, I will take common here. So this equal to minus this into bracket 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. This divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So this is the formula for minus and this. So this is formula for cos 3. This one is cos 3t divided by sin 3t. This equal to minus. So minus 2. This equal to minus cot 3t. So here observe here cos cube 4 cos cube 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x equal to cos 3x. Similarly 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, this equal to sin 3x. So these are the formulas learnt in the first year class. So therefore this becomes cos 3t, this becomes sin 3t, cos by sin, this becomes cot 3t. This one is 5 marks question and exam point of view, this one is very important. So solve once or twice without referencing this one. So practice this problem. Yes.